What's that? Smell it? Like to smell it? You can't take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think you can take it out. Want to smell it? Smell it. What? What happened? Wow.
Oh.
Smell it?
It's a mess.
Yeah.
Would the glue open?
Yeah? Want to smell it? Go smell it. Go smell it.
On the back.
Well, thank you. You can keep that. You can keep it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Why are you eating it?
Yeah.
Smells good? Smell it. You like that? Hmm? You gotta put it back in the can.